Now, can you name different fruits? What are your favorite fruits? Me, my favorite fruits are papaya, guava, grapes, ripe mango, and guyabano. How does papaya taste? Papaya is sweet, right? Now, which is sweeter among papaya and guava? Papaya is sweeter than guava. Which is the sweetest of all fruits we mentioned? Papaya is the sweetest of all. This time, class, we will discuss about the 3 degrees of comparison of an adjective. The first one is positive degree. Positive degree simply discuss or describes persons or things. Example, the artist tree is tall. Next degree of comparison of an adjective, we have comparative degree. Comparative degree compares two persons or things. Example, the mango tree is taller than the artist tree. We add ER for one syllable adjectives, but we add more for 2 or more syllable adjectives. Example, Carla is more obedient. Obedient has 3 syllables. Obedient. There are 3 syllables. Okay, next. The third degree of comparison, we have superlative degree. Superlative degree compares 3 or more things or persons. Example, the acacia tree is the tallest of them all. We add EST for one syllable adjective. We add most for the 2 or more syllable adjective. Example, Carlos is the most intelligent boy in class. Intelligent has 4 syllables, so we add most. Okay. Always remember, class, that an adjective has 3 degrees of comparison, namely positive degree, comparative degree, and